Y'all don't mind? Can I get a picture, please?
Yeah, go ahead.
I gotta look back on this and be sad. I can't lie. Let me get out your picture. Yeah, I gotta be sad. It's gonna. I want about a DDGD. My first picture I bought it was on a tow truck. I took of it. It was on a tow truck. And the last picture I'm taking is gonna be.
And I'm putting this on my channel, man.
I mean, you should. You want it's on YouTube?
I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna send it to you.
Send it to me.
I'm gonna send it to you.
I'm gonna watch it. I like to watch those come ups.
Yeah.
I was trying to do that. That's why I started taking pictures.
Yeah.
But I don't have the money. I don't. I just don't.
Man.
You got the money? No, I don't know. You see, I was trying to sell a car. I had no money. I gotta have some money before I crank up. Listen, you gotta talk to the brother.
What's my ticket, man?
Man, you know your ticket.
And y'all, thank y'all for tuning into my channel. If y'all could please like, comment, and subscribe, I would truly appreciate it. And first of all, let's start off by saying I want to thank God. I'm not leaving my man out. We're gonna get this going. Now, a little bit about myself. I'm from DC. I always wanted an Impala since I was a little boy. This is a 95 Impala I bought from out Baltimore. I met him online. He gave me a great deal, man. Shout out to him too. I'ma definitely reach out to him and give him an update on every single piece that I put on this car. I'm gonna take good care of this car. I'm gonna repaint it, reupholstery. Like, it's gonna look so good when I'm finished with it. I got other projects too. I got a 98 two-door Tahoe, which I love. I got a 73 Nova that I love, that I've been working on for a very long time, because that car was, I'll show y'all another time. But
yeah,
I finally got my hands on my dream car, which is an Impala. It's either a 95 or a 96. Those are the two that I really wanted. But I came across this one, and I love it, man. I really love it. And man, stick with me, man. I'm gonna keep y'all posted on all the videos, on all my car videos, car meets, going to the track, all that stuff, man. But thank y'all for tuning in, and catch y'all in the next one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all in the next one.